Welcome to English 101. This dual enrollment class is unique in this world because it's both fully online and fully face to face, which I've never done before. And I think your wonderful Miss Monshine and I will have some fun with it. There's one thing I want to show you right now. So to get started, you're going to click over here on modules, and which you must have already done, actually, now that I think about it. But what I want to say is that please go through the modules page by page, because if you just use the to-do list, you'll just end up accessing the assignment pages, which are indicated by an indent and a special icon. You will miss all these content pages, and that is something I've noticed with students coming straight from high school. They're not used to the stacked modules, and they are used to just sort of using the to-do list, and that's not the expectation. So it gets really confusing for you because you'll miss some instructions, and for me, because I'll not know why you missed instructions. So that's the main thing I want to show you for now. I'll be meeting you starting next week in your class. I'll come Zoom in and talk to you, and we'll just play this week by week. I look forward to meeting you.